In today's free tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete YouTube search history on iOS, Android, Apple devices, or even on your computer and laptop, whether for Windows or Mac, completely for free. Let's get right into it. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so I have YouTube opened up on my iPhone Apple app right here, and I'm scrolling, and we basically have videos that I basically just don't want to see because, well, we want to delete the YouTube search or watch history, let's say. So we're going to click this icon on the bottom right, or view your YouTube channel, and then click the top right icon right here, or the settings. And basically, once we're over here, you want to click this option, which is above your data in YouTube, and below connected apps, which says manage all history. And as you can see now, if we scroll down and scroll up, we have a list of different options. So this is where the cool part comes in with YouTube history. We have 3 options to save your YouTube history: the auto delete, or even delete right here. And if we click the second option, auto delete, we're given a list of different options. YouTube will automatically delete your activity. It's 3 months, 18 months, or 36 months. And then it says don't auto delete activity. In this case, we're going to click auto delete activity, and then you can click confirm, or the second option. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.